wanted to have a say in the school and just things that happened in it, and I chose a communication team because it's like quite a wide range of things we do.
I find it as a chance for you to get your views across, which otherwise may not be heard.
Oh, it makes me feel like really happy because I get to like change what I want
to drive forward things in the school.
I think the skills that they need to prepare for the real world is what they develop by participating in the Learning to Lead program. Although we try as much as we can in classroom, the forum is not there because we have the curriculum to go through, and just it's so difficult to be able to do that as a teacher. But in kind of having that forum to have the kids to develop something and learn as they develop the things that they want to develop, a project they want to develop, for example, the skills, it's just amazing.
I like this stuff than like writing because it's more active.
Rather do something practical with hands, like outside. Doing this sort of thing, like we get our ideas like heard more than like in class. Because we like this sort of thing, like we put more effort to like try and do stuff.
We find it really important to just improve areas around the school. So if I'm walking around at lunchtime, I think, oh, there's a random bit of grass over there, no one uses that, yet the top field is full to the brim with people. I think it's important for us to just make the school site a better place to learn. I think because I know that I can do something about it, I'm not just looking at it and ignoring it. I'm thinking, actually, what can I do to change that, or what can I do in my team, or what can I raise that's going to improve it, because I have the not power, but the freedom to be able to be a part of it and change it.
My confidence is up a lot. Like, to think on the spot is really it's a good skill to have.
I like how everyone's involved and you get lots of chances to meet new people and do new things.
I think that talking in front of people will help me kind of be able to talk to more people when I'm older or have like a meeting, and also the organization skills.
I'm hesitant to start using lots of those cliched jargon words like empowering and so on, but I guess that is the thing that the Learning to Lead project does. We've seen the young people stop looking at me or the business manager or the deputy head in the room for how are you going to solve this problem, and look around that school forum to, oh, maybe this is something that we can take to the buildings team. And off an idea goes there. So we've really seen the students' ownership of their school develop through the Learning to Lead project. There's a philosophy behind Learning to Lead where we think about, right, what do we want in this? How do we own that? And actually, that opportunity of thinking more philosophically about how they work together before applying themselves to specific problems is massively powerful. We were really pleased with the Ofsted outcome. It was serendipity. There was a school forum taking place during the Ofsted inspection, and she really raved about that. We had very, very positive comments in our oral feedback. It let me understand that the Ofsted team had got it, and I trust it made some difference in that judgment.
I think just through the way we work at Learn to Lead, there's a really strong sense of feeling included. I think everyone who joins the community, they feel like they belong to the community, and it's like we belong to society. And if something goes wrong, it's not just one person who is to blame, but because we work in a holarchy, I think we're all in it together almost, so we're all equally responsible if something goes wrong.
It has completely changed the way that our school is run. I've seen students who haven't been able to communicate or socialise suddenly feel a sense of belonging and an ability to change something that they want to in their school. I've seen my school go from an environment where education was being done to them and they didn't have any sense of involvement or control over it at all, to actually learning the skills that I think are really important for life. It gives them an opportunity to come along and say, I really want to change this, or I want to create something new, and they're able to put an action plan in place and make it happen. And the actual visual of seeing that grow has an incredible impact on the whole school.